Get ready for makeup and beauty trends that are already hitting the runways and Instagram in 2022. From bold statement makeup to daily barely there looks, there is a little bit of everything. Some commonalities seem to be sparkled, a lot of lines, and defining certain areas from the eye, the lips, or the cheeks. Here are the 10 new makeup trends in 2022. Welcome to the Ardent Blogger, a channel for all the curiosity lovers who want to know something different every day. Today, we are back with an amazing video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you are missing out a lot. Number 10. All that glitters is couture this year, from the eyes down the cheeks and lips. Find your favorite eyeshadow shade, but in maxed out sparkle form. Glossier's Lid Star is a popular and easy product because there is no contouring involved, just slide it on for a sparkly everyday look. You can also dot some on your cheekbones and blend it in with your blush or bronzer to add some extra sparkly definition. Don't be afraid of monochrome, that is also very in right now. Number 9. The Barely There is a complete look from the foundation to eyes and lips. This foundation trend is remarkable because it is a big step away from contouring, which has ruled the scene for the last decade. It is a big switch, but a convenient one, for the everyday tinted moisturizer or mineral powder user. Say goodbye to clumpy moisturizers and hello to your new tinted BB cream. Number 8. Lip liner is back. What used to be a tool for getting the color definition just right is now a standout trend on its own. Find a dark lip liner pencil to go with your everyday lip color. You can even blend them a bit if you aren't ready for so much definition. This look kind of plays on the idea that your lipstick gets rubbed off anyways when you take a drink. This is another convenient trend to welcome. Number 7. The double winged liner was first seen on Euphoria, the show that made ColourPop makeup a trend in the last 2 years. But not until now has the trend reached everyday wear. Soon double liner will be the new going out look, but it can even be made subtle for daily use. Use your trusty black liquid liner or opt for a fun color pop like purple or blue. Combine the two liners to make original looks. There is no need to stay inside the lines with this trend. Number 6. Hate having to color coordinate your makeup? Well, you can pick one. Get a lid color that matches your blush, or even better, a 2-in-1 product that can dual as both. With the sustainability trends in the beauty industry, more and more products are becoming 2-in-1 to reduce waste. If you have one color you love and use it for everything, it will definitely get used up. Number 5. Let your cheeks pop with a strong color. From cover stars to brands like Fenty Beauty, it is apparent that cheeks are in this year. Cheeks are a defining aspect of a person's face and should be shown off. Everyone has a unique definition to their face. Letting the cheeks pop is a way to celebrate that with your favorite blush color. Number 4. Sustainability is without a doubt the biggest lifestyle trend, and it is just getting bigger. The beauty industry is picking up on this in several ways, one of which is refillable makeup. Instead of wasting materials and buying new palettes, many companies are making refillable ones for cheek and eye makeup. The other positive about this kind of design is you can pick the colors you want to use instead of using up all of your favorites, while 1 or 2 colors go unused. Number 3. More and more beauty products are looking for ways to avoid single-use plastics and even microplastics. From lipstick crayons to cream deodorant, there are a lot of ways to have a plastic-free makeup bag and even a bathroom cabinet. Think about how to replace your products with more sustainable ones, not just in what they are made of, but how you use them. Number 2. Tinted moisturizer should be everyone's new best friend. It helps to keep your face routine simple and clean, as recommended by dermatologists, and still get the look you want. Plus, it is fast for everyone's quick morning routine. With the rise of the Barely There makeup style, it is the perfect time to go simple, be good to your skin and yourself. Number 1. There has been a pause in fragrances for a few years, but it is back. Find your favorite fragrance, from clean and elegant to flowery and playful. From organic brands and oils to trusted brands and new celebrity campaigns, find a fragrance to help you bring in 2022. We are glad you have made till the end. We have handpicked the videos which we recommend you watch next. Feel free to talk to us on our social media channels or on our website theardentblogger.com about any recommendations or suggestions.